In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the course evaluation link in Blackboard. To start, log in to your Blackboard course. In the course content, you should have a link called Course Evaluation. For any reason, if you accidentally delete it, you can still bring it back by going to the right panel. Scroll down to Books and Tools. Click on View Tools and Institution Tools. One of the choices is to add your course evaluation. Click on the plus icon, and your course evaluation link will now be added to the course content area. Make sure you make it visible to students.